My name is Sharath Pavan. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I completed my graduation in Namacharya Institute of Technology and Sciences, Rajanpet, in stream civil engineering with the percentage 70%. I completed my inter in Sri Chaitanya Vijayawada with a percentage of 80%. I completed my 10th at Kattamunchi Ramnangareddy Residential High School with a percentage of 93%. And then after completion of my BTech in the year 2022 pass out, I joined JSpiders, and it helped me a lot to got a place and get a job. And here Shishira sir, Raghu sir, those Vivek sir and Sai Charan sir helped me to improve my skills, and HR helped me a lot to add the companies.